So yesterday, the 2018 federal budget was announced, and today I'm going to talk about the highlights of the budget and how this affects you, and touch on the new news that we know about corporations. I personally found the budget to be a little bit uneventful, but I guess that's okay because there's been enough radical change with regards to corporations over the last 6 months. So I guess having a non-eventful budget announcement isn't a bad thing for us Canadians. I'm going to start to touch on the positive news that we did hear yesterday with regards to corporations. We did know that there was going to be some changes with passive income, and we were expecting the management of this to be very complicated and likely to be very onerous for accountants and probably cause a lot higher tax filing bills for Canadians. But what we learned yesterday that it is going to be more simplified, which is great news from managing the passive income for yourself and for accountants and for the overall fee of Canadians. So this is what we know now. So for every dollar of passive income earned over the $50,000 threshold that we already knew, $5 will be reduced from the small business limit. So once you reach $150,000 of passive income, your small business rate will be eliminated. So anybody earning passive income under the $50,000 mark, there's no effect to you whether this was the old announcements or the new. If you are earning more than $50,000 of passive income, this will be new for you. Some of the changes that came out in the budget or announcements, the budget was more about how the finance minister was going to spend the money in Canada. And it was really focused on spending and investing back into Canadians. And some of the main areas where this may affect you is parental leave. There's some changes there. And they're offering 5 extra weeks for parental leave for shared parental. And what this means is that, or what they're trying to focus on is having women get back into the workforce faster if the other partner is willing to stay home with the child and take part parental leave. The Canada Workers Benefit, you may be entitled to an extra $500 if you earn less than $15,000 in a year. Child Canada Benefit, this was new last year, and just as a reminder, it is a tax-free income that you earn now. Prior it was taxable. It is tax-free, and we know now that it will be indexed, which is good. The Canada Workers Benefit Disability Supplement is also going up. That's a change. That'll be effective 2019. And there was a lot of talk about gender and women in the speech yesterday, if you listened to it. And there's going to be some grants available to women that want to take trades, and that will benefit women. Something also announced is that all the national parks, so last year national parks were free to enter. The finance minister did announce that across Canada, going forward, for an unlimited number of years going forward, that national parks will have a free entry. So that's a nice little perk for people that like to go to the national parks. So that's the overall main points that I got from the budget. The main difference that we learned about corporations. Stay tuned, a lot of the details do start to roll out over the coming months, but that's what we know so far as an overall.